Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure we check if our phone is compatible and eligible for 4G. That is the first thing you need to do. And once you confirm that your phone can use 4G network, next thing you need to do is to proceed with the process. And for you to check if your phone can use 4G, as you can see right here, this is a 3G right here. But how can we convert this 3G into 4G? So what we want to do here is to make sure we go to our phone settings. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on SIM and network settings. So click on that. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on Glo. The next thing you need to do is to go to prefer network type. Then right here, make sure you switch to 2G/3G/4G auto. Click on that. Then make sure you hit on OK. And with that, it simply means that your phone can use 4G network on your Glozone browser. However, you still need to complete the process by visiting Gloworld, any office of Glo store that is very near to your location.